Welcome to a bowl of happiness. Today we are making gyudon. Gyudon literally means beef bowl. Thinly sliced beef and onion cooked in sweet soy sauce, then topped on delicious Japanese rice. When the Japanese want a quick lunch or dinner, we often go for gyudon, whereas Western people go to McDonald's and KFC. Because gyudon is quite cheap, filling and fast, you could easily find a place to get gyudon in town, but I like homemade gyudon much better. It's quite easy to make, so I would love for you to try it out. Let's get the ingredients ready. Finely chop some green onion. Then slice some brown onions. And then slice some benishoga, pickled ginger. You can also get the sliced ginger at a store, that's even easier. And here we are going to make割下, the sauce. Add 40 ml of dashi and 30 ml of mirin, and then 20 ml of soy sauce and 20 grams of sugar. Turn up the heat and heat it up for a little bit. And finally, add 30 ml of low-fat milk. This milk helps the gyudon taste mild. Be sure to add low-fat milk, not the other kind. And then add in the sliced onion. And then turn the heat up and cook the onion for a minute or two. And then evenly place the beef into the pot. You can have the heat high for the whole time. In order to get the beef tender, we don't want to cook for too long. So simmer on high heat for a short time. Now cover the rice with your beef and onion. You can add more or less of the broth into the bowl depending on your taste. Now sprinkle some sesame seeds and then some green onion. And then place some benishoga, pickled ginger, on the side. It looks really beautiful with all the colors. And then here we are, the gyudon is ready. There are a lot of flavors going on here. The acidity from benishoga, the fresh green onion, and sesame seeds. You can enjoy the different textures in your mouth. Another option is to add some shichimi, which is a variety of 7 different spices, so you can sprinkle some of this on top. This dish is super comforting, and as you can see, it's quite easy to make. All you need is some beef and onion, along with some of the seasonings. Please try this out. We introduce simple yet delicious Japanese dishes on this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.